Welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we're going to look at this 2018 Cadillac XT5 with only 52,000 miles. This is a wonderful vehicle. I love the color, and it's just a great vehicle in general. It's a nice American-made, high-end luxury SUV. It does have proximity entry as well as blind spot, lane keep assist, and a lot of other safety features, including collision alert. Not collision avoidance, but collision alert, so it will let you know what's going on. It does have a power tailgate, and what I love about it is it does have this wonderful retainer wall here that you can adjust so you can keep things from moving around in the back of your seat, or the trunk, as well as a security cover. Simply push a button, you have it closing it on its own. Plenty of room out back for the entire family, as well as heated seats and center console vents. Now up front there are plenty of things going on. You do have the heated seats as well as ventilated seats and a heated steering wheel. Navigation, Bose stereo system, and a panoramic sunroof. I want to thank you for your time. If you have any questions or are interested in this vehicle, feel free to come into the showroom or call and ask for me. My name is Jordan. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the day.